Hello, I'm Ashley, the engineer at Andover Norton, and one of the problems we'll be looking at today is the front mudguard. Now, I've had this happen to me where the rivets in the front mudguard have snapped and come away. Now, we actually do the rivets to replace in the mudguard. However, trying to rivet them in is quite a job to do. Even here in the workshop with the correct jig, it's still a bit of a pain to get them in nicely. We do sell the individual rivets if you so want to go back to the original looking mudguard that you had originally. However, we also do another kit, which is the actual stainless slotted screws and the stainless nuts. This is the option I used many years ago when my mudguard actually broke. I took the rest of the rivets out and put these in. And yes, each screw does have a slot, so you can actually line it up to how you want it to look, whether it's across the waist or fore and aft. It's entirely up to you. Now, this system is a lot quicker and easier to repair on your bike than trying to get the mudguard off and rivet it. These are, in fact, M4. The reason they're M4 is because if I bought them in an imperial size, you'd need to mortgage your house to be able to buy a set, because the imperial size in this size screw was massively expensive over the metric size. So, any queries on your mudguard, the bridge, and how you want to fix it, please feel free to get in touch with myself and Simon. We also do a stainless bridge for a lot of the mudguards and a painted one. The choice is entirely yours, both the same, just one stainless, one painted. Any other questions, please feel free to contact myself and Simon at Andover Norton. Thank you very much.